Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, welcome in our maths class. Today I am here with a new topic, which is count and write. As you can see here we have some fishes on the board, and here we have some bubbles that comes from their mouth. We are going to count these bubbles, then we will write the correct number in the given box. Try to count them slowly. No need to count them so fast like 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Try to count them slowly like this. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bubbles are here? 8 bubbles. Then we will write number 8 in the given box. Like this. Now look at the next fish. Here we have some more bubbles. Start counting them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. How many bubbles are here? 13 bubbles. So we should write number 13 in the given box. How would you write number 13? 1, 3, 13. Now come on the third fish. Start count the bubbles with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. How many bubbles are here? 1, 0, 10. So we will write 1, 0, 10 in the given box. Here we have our last fish. Look at the bubbles. Start counting them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14. How many bubbles are here? 14 bubbles. So we will write 1, 4, 14 in the given box. Good. It is done. Now we will do some work from book. As you can see here, we have a question. Count the objects and color the correct number. So here we have some stars. We are going to count them. Follow me please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Now look at these numbers carefully. Is it number 20? We have to color the correct box. Is it number 20? No, it's number 18. 1, 8, 18. Is it number 20? No, it's number 19. 1, 9, 19. And here we have 20, 20 stars. Look at this number carefully. Is it number 20? Yes, it is. So we will do color in this circle. You can do any color of your choice in the circle, but here I have green color, so I'm going to do this in this circle. Here we have some mushrooms. I'm going to count them and you will follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we have to do the color in number 18 circle. Is it number 18? No, it's number 19. Is it number 18? No, it's 20, 20. And here we have 18 mushrooms. 1, 8, 18. Look at this number carefully. Is it number 18? Yes, it's number 18. We will do the color in this circle. Always remember, try to do the colors in the circle. No need to take out your strokes outside from the circle. Here we have some flowers. Start count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many flowers we have? 19 flowers. Now look at the numbers carefully. Is it number 19? No, it's number 18. No need to do color in this circle. Is it number 19? No, it's number 20, 20. No need to do color in this circle. Is it number 19? Yes, it's number 19. We will do color in this circle. You can do the color of your choice in the circle. I'm going to do green color in this circle. I hope you understand the lecture. Here we have our homework. As you can see here, we have some objects. Here we have some rabbits, some flowers, some honeybees, some kites, caterpillar, ladybird, and kite or sun also. You have to count the object and write the correct number in this circle. You can collect this homework from the Allied Facebook page. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.